Now let's look at some ratio problems after we've kind of learned about what ratio is. So again, you'll hear me saying ratio, every, and bar for our bar method. Okay, so here's my problem. Some cookies have 4 chocolate chips for every 2 nuts. So let me just write the ratio here. 4 for every 2. There are 30 nuts and chocolate chips. How many nuts is there? Let's draw this as a bar. Well, I've got 4 chocolate chips for every 2 nuts. So my bar looks like this if you think about it. I have here the chocolate, the chocolate, the chocolate, and a chocolate because I have 4. And then for 2 nuts, and I have a nut and a nut. And I'm told that there are 30 nuts and chocolate chips. So in total, my whole is 30. Now the question asks me, how many nuts is there? So I want to find out how many nuts there is. Well, first I have to find what one of these is worth. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll have to do 30 divided by 6, which equals 5. 5, 5, 5, 5 equals 5 equals 5. All right. So if each one equals 5, then the total here is 10. So the answer is there's 10 nuts. Let's look at another question. Here it says a shop sells oranges, apples and pears at a ratio of 5 to 3 to 1. So that means the first word I have 5 oranges, the second word apples 3 and the third pears 1. They sold 21 apples in this shop. How much fruit did they sell? So let's draw our bar first. So I have 5 oranges, so orange, 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 orange. 3 apples, apple, 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 and 1 pear, pear. And it says, how much fruit did I sell? Well, I don't know how much fruit in total I sell, so that's my question mark. But I do know that I sold 21 apples. Okay. So if the apples is 21, I can find out what 1 part is by doing 21 divided by 7 divided by 7. I need to divide by 3 because there's 3 parts. So the answer is 7. So if this is 7, this equals 7, this equals 7, this equals 7. Well, this one must equal 7 because they're equal. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So they're all 7. So I can work out the whole by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiplied by 7, and the answer to that is 63. So my answer is 63. And how much fruit did they sell? Well, 63 pieces of fruit. So when we solve ratio problems, the bar helps us to understand what we have to do.